Six type of body fat and how to get rid of it. The main issue about obesity is that it's not just about black and white tissue. There are a million of shades of grey which complicate things and make it harder for us to understand it. Obesity can happen as a result of number of reasons, which is why there are a number of ways in which you can treat it and resolve the problem. That's why some method work for some while, not for others. That's why your friend was able to shed that extra weight with that diet, but you couldn't drop pounds doing the same things. This was even backed by science, confirmed by the recent Berkshire Health study. They examined a group of 4,000 obesity adults and managed to divide them into 6 decent groups. Young healthy females, obesity women who generally had fewer obesity related complications like type 2 diabetes. Heavy drinking males, just like the previous group but with higher alcohol intake. Unhappy and anxious middle-aged. This group mostly consisted of women with poor mental health and well-being. Affluent and healthy elderly, overall in good health but with symptoms of high alcohol intake and hypertension. Physically sick but happily elderly. Elderly suffering from one more chronic disease like osteoarthritis for example, but good mental condition. Poorest health, a group of the most economically deprived with higher number of chronic disease. The findings and the conclusions from this study are essentially to understand the underlying cause of obesity, because understanding what caused it in the first place can shed light on how we can defeat it. This is a breakthrough in obesity treatment, but there's still a lot of research need to further confirm these findings. You may rethink that the picture above have nothing to do with study, but the truth is that understanding what one's hold weight is crucial to lose it as well. There are two types of body fat distribution, android and gandroid. Positive Med defines this term as an android fat distribution pattern is to called because the more men and women exhibit, you may have heard it described as apple body type, when the waist circumference is greater than that of the hip. A gandroid distribution is most commonly seen in women. This is what may call the pear body shape. In this pattern, the circumference is greater than waist circumference. And here are 6 major types of body fat and the best way to get rid of it. 1. Upper body obesity. This is linked to the higher food intake and low exercise level. You should cut back on the sweat and start exercising for at least 30 minutes a day. If you still cannot lose weight, you should consult a professional. 2. Stomach-centered obesity. If you have extra weight in this area, it is linked to the stress, depression and anxiety. The best way to resolve this problem is by trying some pairing exercise and relaxation technique. 3. Low body obesity. Most men deal with problems in area is quite difficult to mail to every. So if you need to help, don't hesitate to consult a professional. Try some exercise that incorporate lower body resistance training paired with cardiovascular workout. They are essential to eliminate the fat in this area. 4. Swollen stomach obesity. You are probably having problem with excessive alcohol consumption and respiratory problem. You should reduce your alcohol intake and try out some breathing exercise. Proper breathing is an entire torso exercise. 5. Lower body obesity that include lower legs. Lower body obesity is a common problem for the pregnant woman. The legs may be swelling. If you have the opportunity, try water aerobics. It will take pressure of the leg and feet.